Good afternoon, dear students. Today I am going to discuss about the importance of insurance. So in the previous video we already discussed, in the live class also we already discussed what are the general principles which are related to a contract of insurance. Today we go through the importance of insurance. What is importance? Importance means how the services are rendered by the insurance company, how they are helpful for the individual, not only an individual but also for business organization, how they are helpful for nation. We can classify the benefits of insurance into three categories. First one is benefits to individual, second one is benefits to business organizations, and second one benefits to another important nation. So what are the benefits of three types? Benefits can be classified into three categories. Now we go through one by one. No doubt, what is a contract of insurance? I already explained. It is a contract between the insurer and the insured. So, for what purpose the contract of insurance will be taken by the policyholder? No doubt to put the person in the same financial position as if no loss is occurred. This service is required by the society nowadays. It is most wanted service nowadays. So, it is having most importance in the society. So, what is the importance of insurance to an individual? How it is beneficial to an individual person? Now we go through one by one. First one is protection to dependents. No doubt, owner of the family will take the life policy. For what purpose? In order to provide a financial securities to the remaining members of the family. After the death of the owner of the family, in order to give the financial stability to the individual family members, so it will give a protection to the dependents. After the death of the owner of the family also, they can enjoy the life as if even though there is no owner is alive in the family. So it will provide a financial protection to the dependents. Then second one, happy life to all insured family. No doubt, if the life policy is taken for the period of 20 years, then life policy is matured, then the person is alive or policy holder is alive, then he will get the matured amount in form of a savings. So if in middle of the policy period, if the death of the owner of the family occurred, then the matured value will be paid to the dependents to the family. They can enjoy the life even though the owner of the family is not alive. Then third one is loan facilities are available against the policy. No doubt, by keeping the policy in the bank, we can get the loan facility from the bank immediately. On the basis of policy, the banker will grant a loan to an individual person. That is also benefit to an individual. So no doubt it will encourages the savings of the general public. No doubt, after the maturity period, if the person is alive or the policy holder is alive, then it will indirectly encourages the savings mentality of the general public. After the 20 years, he can get back his amount in form of a savings. So that's why it will encourages the savings mentality of the general public. Then fifth one, indirect capital for all developmental program. No doubt, by collecting the premium from the large number of people or large number of members in the society, they will collect the indirect capital which is required for the developmental project. Without capital, we cannot undertake the developmental programs by the government. So insurance company will provide an indirect capital for the insurance company. Then that is another important thing. Then what are the benefits to the business organization? Important thing, business is always not always the same thing. So there may be a chance of risk in by way of fire, by way of or short circuit, anything can be happen to a business organization. During that time, what are the advantages by taking the policy on a business organization? That is to be discussed. First one is providing financial assistance to all business organization when the loss is caused to fire, accident, transportation. No doubt, fire may be occurred at any time to business organization due to short circuit. During that time, if the business is lost by way of fire, after that fire also they will get the compensation amount from the insurance company. Then they will continue their business after loss also. Then the second one, there may be a chance of accident if the vehicle is accidented or any accident is took place. Then after accident also, after getting the compensation from the insurance company, they will continue the business as if no accident is occurred. Then transportation, during the time of transportation also, due to heavy rain or due to fire, anything can be happened when the goods are in transit. During that time also, if the policy is taken by the owner of the goods, then it will gives a financial assistance to all business owners by taking the policy by them. Then second one, group insurance policy will provide a security to all employees in the organization. No doubt, if the more than 100 people or more than 20 people are working in a business organization, in order to give a financial stability to those workmen, so insurance policy or group insurance policy will be taken by the owner of the business. So by taking the group insurance policy, they will provide a financial security to the employees in the organization. So during the time of their work or during the time of their employment, if the accident is occurred, if any employee lost his life, then the policy will be claimed by the owner of the business organization. That will be paid in form of a compensation to the dependents of the deceased family. Then a third one, human resources will be protected. No doubt, human resources are also a good resources in a business organization. Without human resource, we cannot undertake any business organization. So by providing a life policies on human resources, they can be protected at any time. Then fourth one, it will increases the efficiency in the business. No doubt, without hesitation, they can undertake the business. Even though accident, fire or transportation, if the loss is occurred, then also they can continue their business without any interruption. So the continuation of the business also increases the efficiency in the business. Then fifth one, continuation of the business is possible. After all, also they can undertake the business as if no loss is occurred. So the continuation of the business is possible by way of insurance contract. That is also another benefit to the business organization. Then what are the benefits to the nation? No doubt, all insurance companies will take part in the capital market. Capital formation is possible, which is required for the developmental program, and economic growth of the nation is possible. No doubt, without capital, we cannot undertake any developmental program. So, indirectly taking part in the capital market, capital will be formed. So, economic growth is made possible. So, that is one of the benefit for the nation. Then, second one, by providing economic stability to the poor class of the society, they can increase their standard of living. By providing economic stability to the poor class of the society, they can increase their standard of living. So that is also possible under a contract of insurance. Then a third one, meeting the insurance needs, change the social and economic environment, protection of physical and natural resources are possible. No doubt, meeting the insurance needs. Insurance needs means put the person in the same position is the main need of the change. So, because of this social and economic change is made possible in the society. The both physical and natural resources are protected under a contract of insurance. Physical resources means human resources. Natural resources means natural resources which are available in a nature. Both are protected under a contract of insurance. Then it will provide a social security to the people. No doubt, without social security, no person can live with more confidence. So, when the social security is provided to the individual person, then they can live very confidently in a society. So, that is also made possible by way of insurance contract. It will control the inflation. No doubt, inflation can be totally controlled by a contract of insurance, because even though the loss is occurred, so they will not suffer a more by way of financial loss. The person will be put in the same position as if no loss is occurred. By this way they can control the inflation also. Then last one is, it educates the customers regarding new products and services. Whenever the new products are introduced in the market, then all customers will be educated through the contract of insurance regarding new products and services. This is made possible due to contract of insurance. So, in this video, I classified the importance of insurance to benefits to an individual person and benefits to business organization and benefits to the nation. So, these all about the importance of insurance.